Hey! We are finally on part 3 of the series My First Accident. If you haven't, I would recommend you to look at part 1 and 2. On part 1 I'm showing what happened, and on part 2 I'm showing how I replaced one of the doors. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and also don't forget to like my new page on Facebook, Resistance. Don't know if you've noticed, but I managed to make a hat, and also I made a really cool case. I mean, I do like it, I think it's really cool. Yeah. So, let's go back to business. I'm gonna show you pictures with the car with the 2 new doors, and also I'm gonna show you how to get out of the garage and get it to the workshop. This job was done by the company that helped me with the accident claim. Now that I mentioned them, they were really helpful. They helped me through the whole process. I was really happy. Also helped me with a courtesy car. That, to be honest, the courtesy car was a really cool car. So basically when I first went there, they said to me, we got a special car for you. I was like, okay, you know, I was really sad and all this stuff. I was like, yeah, I mean, I don't think the car is gonna make me happy right now. So the guy took me at the garage, and guess what? He had the 2015 Skoda Superb LK Special Edition. Really nice car. It was white color. And then when I opened the door and I saw that dark brown interior, I was, wow, that's a really cool car. So it had the front and rear heated seats, front ventilated seats, xenon lights, and some other cool features, but the one that it was on top of all the rest for me, it was the fact that that car was a sedan car, but next to the button you press to open the boot, it had a separate button that if you pressed it, I think twice, you can convert that sedan car into a hatchback. So basically you can open the boot with the rear windows. But that, I think it was really cool and really useful. Now let's go back to my Skoda. I'll show you how the car looks now. I'm really happy with it. Also I decided to do the whole side, so basically I said to them, because you're gonna do the 2 doors, do also the front wing, do the rear wing. So I asked them to do my boot and also to repair the rust I had where the number plate lights go. So let's not waste more time and get to business. Just ignore this, I lost this last month. And ignore this. This happened last week. I don't know how, but I just found it here. And also, ignore this. This was done when I had wider tires and it was rubbing.